Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make Cowgirl Jessie ears using cut up jeans. So a cut up old pair of jeans that you might have at home that are way too damaged to donate. Sustainable product in our ears, store-bought product, and we already made 3 different pair, 3 different ways using the jeans and our product. And take a look at these. So these I'm gonna make on screen. I'm gonna make another pair on screen because it's got the most sustainable product on it and it's got this little detail that I want to go through. Plus, what's different about these ears is the way that we're gonna do the trim. If you're interested, stick around. We already prepped a lot of what we need done. So we're gonna do, this is gonna be our bow. That's the center of our bow. And this is gonna be on top, folded over. We already made our ears. I'm gonna link how to make the ears up here somewhere. We're just gonna stick them together and add the trim. So the trim is decorated nautical rope, and I'll also link where you can find this rope. So I wanna show you how we're gonna do this. Here's our headband, our jeans. So what I'm gonna do is cover the headband with the jeans. So let's make that real quick now so that we have that ready for when we finish our ears, gluing them together and adding the trim. We could just glue everything on quickly. And as you can see, I just cut up an old pair of jeans, and I already used so here's a pant leg, and I already used one of the pant legs, some pieces to make the ears and the trim for this one. So let's do the trim and then we'll get to making the ears. Okay, this is the pant leg that we already worked with, so I'm going to try to cut trim from here. And I just roughly trace it, and then I'll start cutting. And you can find how I make these entire ears all in one video, which I will also link on top. This one is just the Cowgirl Jessie inspired ears that again are available. You can buy them on eBay, and if you don't find them on eBay, just send me a message and we can definitely make a pair for you. Okay, so we have our headband, and now we're gonna start making this. Double-sided tape. Just start taping this down. And this helps it just stick and not move around. You don't want that. Like I've bought mini ears that they're just not, it's not stuck on and they're moving around, and it's super annoying because they don't stay still. And then here you kind of have to play with it. Sometimes I start on 1 inch, but sometimes I start too far down or too far in, and the edges aren't the same size. And if that happens, you could just take it all apart and do it again. So here I have, one side is a little bit bigger, but it doesn't matter. Now here, we're done with our tape, and now we're gonna start gluing down. And you see it didn't come out even, and that's fine because we're gonna make trim. And we're gonna make this trim for these ears a little different than we've done with our other ears. With our other ears, we've used some tape that we've made by hand. But I think I'm gonna make this one a little different, because these new headbands that I'm using are a little bit thicker, and the tape that we were using isn't gonna cover. So I just decided to use this opportunity to just start making tape differently. Okay, so we're gonna keep on gluing down here and off camera, and when we get to the end, we'll come back. Okay, we finished lining everything, and I just left this end here so that you can see what I did. So I'm gonna tape it down a little bit, like add glue and like taper it in so that we can fold it up and it's not sticking out the edges. Okay, so it's kind of tapered in, and then now we're just gonna fold it under. Okay, so this is raw. It's okay. And then you have all this white headband part showing, that's okay because we're going to line everything. So now we have our headband done. Let's make our bow. This fabric was a baby cloth. And then I just kind of add a little glue. Add a little bit of glue, and that's only just to hold it down. It's just a little tiny bit of glue. And then here, we're gonna taper it in as well, so that when you fold it in, you'll see what happens. And if you want to see how the bow is done, I'm gonna link it up here, and I'm also gonna link the video on the bottom so that if you miss this link, you just refer to the video on the bottom. You just click on the link below. And before I glue anything down, I just want to make sure what the center is here. Fold it down. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna add this on the bottom here, just a dab of glue, and then here I'll clean that up. That's just pieces of jeans when I was cutting it. Alright, so now we have our little pillow. We're gonna fold it. We're gonna put it face down, fold it once, fold it twice, fold it 3 times, pinch it in the middle. That looks good. And then shove your glue gun between there and again here.
Are you making Jessie?
Yes, we're making Jessie.
Oh, I love Jessie. Jessie's my favorite character.
It is?
Yeah, Jessie's my favorite. I love Jessie.
So we're making our Jessie ears.
Is it this Jessie?
Yep.
Is this one also Jessie?
I'm gonna add glue right here,
Oh my god, this is one of my favorite Jessies.
which is closer to the back of the bow.
Mama, tell me something.
What happened, baby?
Do you know this one my favorite about that Jessie?
Which is your favorite Jessie bow?
This one.
Oh, you like that one?
Yeah, because it
Show the camera.
almost looks like her. See?
Oh, that's her favorite.
And my favorite one.
You don't like this one? We're making this one.
Honey.
Yeah. Now we're gonna fold it over and make sure it goes back to...
Mama, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm listening.
Where's Jessie Boo you like? Where's Jessie Boo you
To the
like?
beginning.
What is that?
And glue it down right
Mama,
there.
I'm telling you something.
My favorite Jessie bow? I like this one.
Just show it to the vlog. I mean video.
This is the one we're making.
Yeah, just want to
And I like it because it has this little piece, which I'm going to explain what that is. Okay, so we have our bow almost ready. We just need to add... Look at that bow. It came out beautiful. So we just need to add this little piece. And we're going to do this at the end because I need to know what's showing and what's not.
Mama,
And this is actually a belt loop.
look, Mama. Mama, look.
And I'm going to add it right here.
Look. Hi, Mama.
Look at that, how cute. So we'll see how that comes out in a minute.
Look.
You look beautiful.
Hi.
Now we're going to do our ears.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
And then I'm just going to make it...
Hold on, I'll go to the bathroom.
I'm not going to make it... I'm going to make it inverted. So this is going to be how our new ears look like. This is going to be the front of the ears. We got to bring the flap in so that it's nice and flush like that. You see? And then we're going to glue it over here. So this is going to be the front here. I got to glue this part. And then you're going to glue it all together.
Hi, Mama. I'm going to push it, okay? I'm going to push it.
Yeah, and you can push it. So you're going to be able to push it down.
I'm going to push it down for myself.
Yeah, you can do it yourself. This one's ready
Now I'm going to stick it.
for you to glue it down. Wait, but we got to add glue.
Oh.
So this is how you add the glue.
Yeah.
You go like this. You just put glue everywhere.
Yeah. A lot of glue and like in the copy.
And you gotta do this fast because it dries fast. Now,
Stick it on.
I'm gonna put it on here for you.
Like stick it.
And then just push down.
And you tell me to stop, it's stop, okay? And you tell me to stop.
Okay. Okay, so this one's ready for us to put it on the headband. And then that's the little part that's gonna go on the back. We're gonna add our trim after. So here, let's...
Can I hold it? Can I hold this?
Yeah, you can hold it.
Oh, hold on. First, I need to squish this. It goes so fast, Mama.
Yeah, it dries fast.
Like super fast or just
It's like super fast.
or slow motion flash? Slow motion?
It's like super fast. Okay, go push. You see? So now we have 2 little sandwiches.
That's what happens is your ears.
Your ears, but they look like sandwiches. So then now we're gonna add our
this?
trim. So look, this ear is this is gonna be on this side of the ears.
No.
And that's gonna be on this side.
Mine.
Okay, yes.
Look, I'm like getting a sandwich. Look.
Don't eat the ears.
No, it's just a sandwich. I'm pretending to eat
Now
a
you're
sandwich.
no, it's a sandwich. So we're gonna start on the outer edge.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put glue, 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 glue.
Over the way.
A ton of glue.
Over the way.
And then I'm gonna hold it down. I'm gonna try to shove it in there with
Tweezers.
these tweezers.
It has to say tweezers.
Yeah, you did say tweezers.
Those
You
are
think
cool.
that's fine?
Those are cool tweezers.
You think they're cool?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's keep on adding glue.
I love you.
I love you, baby.
Why is your hand in the way? And it belongs like stuff again.
And then we're just gonna hold it.
Can I hold the glue?
See, look at this, how cool it's
Mama,
looking.
I'm telling
It
you.
looks like rope, like a lasso.
Mommy,
So we just got regular Scotch tape. Look, listen, regular Scotch tape.
Mom.
Yeah, tell me.
I already know that.
Yeah, but they don't know. We gotta show them. And then here at the edge, if you just cut this, it's gonna come apart. So you need to put tape on it.
Hey, I was gonna say tape.
You were, oh sorry. And then you just go around.
Excuse me, Mama.
You just go around like that with the tape.
No.
Yeah.
Can I hold the glue?
You can hold all the glue. Here.
Thanks for the glue. Look, they're like parrots.
Okay, so now we added glue here to this little area. And as you can see, that's where it's gonna kind of go over. So we're gonna cut here. Here.
Mom, can I try to be like the cowgirl or cowboy?
Right, so this is how that's looking. I know it looks kind of funny here, but that's gonna be covered. So now we're gonna start on the outer edge.
That glue and ropey.
You see how it's looking? It's so nice.
Yeah.
Look, so we got to the end here. So do you want to hold this down for me? Right here? Just hold it down. Like I hold it down. Just hold it down.
Like this?
Just like that.
Mommy,
Yes,
I
my
want to
baby.
put jewels on it and make it a little bit pretty.
Yeah, you could put jewels on yours.
I want to use the
So
tweezers.
we added our tape.
Mama,
Yeah, you can use tweezers when you're putting jewels, huh?
I want
And
to
now we're
put
gonna cut it.
like, those are the frontier of the gay. Get it? Put it in the day to day.
I get it. This is done. Look at that, we're almost done. So here's your ears, here's your headband.
And then and here's our bow.
Then we're gonna do 9 centimeters.
Look, Jessie. Hey.
Wait, I need this. So 9 centimeters from the bottom
That was
to
pretty now.
the top. So
Yeah.
here, just make a small little,
A line.
you can see it. I think you're not gonna see it, but it's there. And then we're gonna do the other side.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're gonna just glue, glue, glue.
Everywhere on the ears.
Everywhere, glue.
To put on our happy band. You can do this, Mommy.
You think I could do it?
Yeah. Just look at the ear right here, okay?
Because there's still more that we need to do. So this one, I'm
Ow.
holding it in because this one's hard to hold.
Look, I'm helping you.
Well, thank you for helping. So now we need to add a little more glue to the front here. Because I didn't add to the front
Look, there's more glue. See? There's more glue.
at first because I didn't want to have a bunch of glue just hanging out. Okay, so that's on here, and I leave the flap, leave it for the end. You know what? Normally leave it for the end, but let's just do this now, since we're working on this.
Look, I'm grabbing insects. Look, I'm grabbing insects.
See, so this is all gonna be, there's all kinds of stuff happening down here, but you're gonna cover it.
This is the front end. Oh no, I need to watch my TV.
Thank you so much for your help. We got our ears on, and now we're gonna add our bow to the center. So I'm gonna cut this off. You just eyeball it. So that looks like just about the center. Just hold it down for a minute. Okay, so your bow is on, and now we're gonna add this little piece. And then glue in the back. Okay, so there's your pair of ears. We still need to line that. I'm not gonna do that on screen for this one, but we still need to line these. And here's a pair of ears that we just made. The trim. Here's the ones that we made prior. Look at this one, how cool. And here's your fourth one. Here's your set. These are all available for sale on eBay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification button, and hit that bell so that you know when we post any out of the blue, let's make something out of something sustainable videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.